Hi again. Let's do this paper quick here. Right. Without using a calculator, work out 1 3 over 8 minus 5 over 6. You must show all your working and give your answer as a fraction in simplest form. Okay. I guess this is a piece of cake question. Alright, first of all, I have to get rid of the mixed fraction there. So it will become 1 times 8, which is 8 plus 3, which is 11. So the mixed fraction here will be 11 over 8 minus 5 over 6. Alright, if I'm dealing with addition and subtraction type of fractions, I need to cross multiplication and then multiply the denominators of the two fractions together. So that will be equal to 11 times 6, take away 8 times 5 over 8 times 6. Okay, you have to be good with timetables since we're not going to use a calculator here. 11 times 6, which is equal to 66, take away 8 times 5, which is 40, over 8 times 6, which is 48. So let's do the subtraction thing here. 66 minus 40, which is equal to 26, and 26 over 48. So I need to find a common factor between these two numbers to divide and then simplify. So 26 and 48, both of them are even numbers, so I will take 2. 26 and 48 over 2 here and over 2. 26 over 2, which is equal to 13, and 48 over 2, which is equal to 24. So there is no common factor between 13 and 24, so my final answer is 13 over 24. A is the point 5, -5, and B is the point 9 and 3. Find the coordinates of a point of the midpoint of AB. Alright, here I need to know the rule of the midpoint, which is easy rule. Here we have the midpoint. Just add the x's together, divide by 2, and add the y's together, and then divide by 2. Right here the rule will be, let's say x1 plus x2, or that will be over 2, and here y1 plus y2, all of that will be over 2. Okay, so the midpoint will be x1, which is 5, plus x2, which is 9 over 2, and here I have y1, which is -5, and then I have y2, which is 3, and that will be over 2 as well. Okay, let's have more space here. Okay, so 5 plus 9, which is 14, 14 over 2, which is 7, and they have -5 plus 3, which is -2, -2 over 2, which is equal to -1. So the midpoint is 7 and -1. All right. B, find the length of AB. We want to find the length of this line, so finding the length also are going to use a rule, and that rule says length equal x2, take away x1, all of that will be squared, plus y2 take away y1, and then all of that will be square, and all of these will be under square root. Okay, all of this will be under square root. Okay, let's have the number on their places. Okay, x2 here is 9. I have, let's say, is equal to 9 minus x1, which is 5 here, all of that square, plus y2, which is 3, minus, and then minus again, because that is minus 5, no, only 5. Okay, and all of that will be square. Okay, the whole thing, and there is the square root. Okay, so 9 minus 5 equals to 4. That will be 4 square, plus 3 minus 5, and that will equal to 8. 8 square, whole thing under square root. Okay, so here we have 4 square, which is equal to 16, and they have 8 square, which is equal to 64, and all of that under the square root as well. So okay, so that will be square root of 16 plus 64 equals to 18. Okay, so let's see, L equals to what? Square root of 80 equals to 8.94. Okay, 8.94. So my final answer here is equal to 0.94.